24-hour check cashing. Where to go when banks are closed. We've previously discussed how to cash your check if you don't have identification or a bank account, as well as how to cash different types of checks. This time we'll cover where to cash personal checks when banks are closed. Whether it's in the late hours of the night or on a Sunday, you can still cash your check even if your bank is closed. It might cost you an extra fee, so it's a good idea to wait until Monday morning if you can. However, sometimes waiting isn't an option. Here are your check cashing options when the banks are closed. Banks and credit unions with extended hours. Some banks operate business hours on Saturdays, or even extended hours on some weekdays. If you have an account with a bank or a credit union, familiarize yourself with their operating hours. Make sure to check specific locations as they can all vary even from the same bank. 24-hour ATMs. Most banks also have 24-hour ATMs, which provides another option to cash your check after hours. However, if your check bounces, you will be responsible for the funds note. If there is no deposit option to select at the ATM, this location might not offer ATM check deposit services. Also, some ATMs don't require an envelope anymore, but they will have a clearly labeled slot for inserting your check for deposit. Retailers and grocery stores. If you can't make it to a convenient bank or ATM, a retailer or grocery store like Walmart or 7-Eleven could be your next best options. These stores are usually open 24 hours, but you'll want to call ahead to verify check cashing hours at your nearest location. Try depositing instead of cashing. If you're desperate to cash your check outside of regular business hours, you could find a branch with extended hours, use an ATM, find a retailer or supermarket, or find a check cashing store. But if you don't need cash immediately, you can simply use an ATM or online and mobile deposit options to get your check funds into your bank account. Thanks for watching our video. Learn more about this topic, fiscaltiger.com.